Hi everybody, this is Rita and happy Friday to you. Yep, Friday today, and this is just a quick tutorial. I've actually filmed this 3 times already, so this is the 4th time. I'm not gonna go into the details of what technical problems I was running into, but basically this is a little tutorial on the double bows that I put on my journals, inside my journals and on the covers. This is what I'm talking about, these double seam binding bows, like that one, or like these cute little double bows. So it has been requested that I do a tutorial. I have been promising to do it. These cute little bows, double bows. Don't know if they show up really good, but anyways, let me see. Here's another one. This is a journal I'm working on, journal cover. And so is this, a journal that I'm working on, big journals. So yeah, my husband made this for me out of a block of wood that's about, let's see, I don't know, 6.5 inches wide and 2 inches, or 2 inches wide, 6.5 long. It doesn't matter what it is, but basically we put 2 little rods in there. You can get these at Walmart. They don't have to be a certain length. They don't even have to be equal in length. And the distance between the two, it's 1.5 inches, but it doesn't matter also. It's just, that's how big your bows are going to be. These are for big bows, which I don't actually use. I don't know why we did that. And these are for the little bows, which are these, the little double bows. So I'll show you how I do it. You take a piece of seam binding, you leave about, I don't know, 5 inches or so in your left hand, and then you take your right hand, take the entire length. You just have a real long piece in your other hand, doesn't matter, we'll be cutting that. So you take the entire length behind, bring it forward, wrap it around the left one on the back, then bring it across, wrap it around the right one. Then the length you have in your left hand, you take it, put it in your right hand, and with your right hand you take it all the way under everything to the back and pull it forward on the top and tie it nice and tight in the middle, and just pull it off and then fluff it out. So there's your little double bow, and then you just cut this long piece whatever length you want. Let's do it again. So you have about 5 or so inches left in your left hand. Take the entire length to the back with your right hand, take it behind your left peg, bring it forward, take it behind the right one, and then with your left hand, that piece you have, bring it in the middle and all the way under everything to the back. On the top, bring it forward, tie it nice and tight, and pull it off and fluff it out. They're so cute. Such a cute little bows. That's what it looks like. Okay, let's try one in a blue. Oh, that's one that I already did. Here's a blue one. Again, leave about 5 or so inches in your left hand. With your right, take everything to the back. Right hand goes behind the left peg, so you're crisscrossing it, and then behind the right. With your left hand, take it behind everything here, under everything, bring it forward and tie it. And here's your little bow, cute as a button. Now let's try it one more time. We're gonna use a purple, so it's a darker color, might show up better. Again, leave about 5 or so inches, I'm not sure, in your left hand about this much. Take everything behind. With your right hand, go behind the left peg. Bring it forward. Take it behind the right. And take from your right hand under everything. Pull it forward and tie it. Nice and tight. And pull it off. So this is your double bow. Now, if you don't have a way to make this, I understand that's not necessarily the case. I don't know what you could use. I thought of something, but I don't know if it would really work. Like take a sponge. Now you would want a chunkier sponge than this, and then take, like this is a skewer, you know, break it and poke it in that. I don't know if that would work or not. You know, shorter skewer in a chunkier sponge. Put 2 in there to make your little stand like this. I don't know if that would work or not. But I found this on this whole thing, found out about this on YouTube. It's been a few years. Might have been 5 years or so. So if you search, I'm not even sure since it's been so long. I don't know what I searched for, but sorry about that. But I'm sure there's people that explain this a lot better than I do. But this is just, I apologize, not very good at explaining it, but this is basically how I do these cute little double bows. And again, this is just one on top of a journal cover that I'm working on right now. Okay, so well, this is it. If you have any questions, let me know. You guys can contact me through my eBay. You just go to any of my listings as a contact seller. You can email me right there and I respond pretty fast. Or you can leave a comment here under below. Thank you so much and peace out.